So good afternoon now. This is now part 6 of our second day Dialogues Evo training. So okay, this time I hope you created now your landscaping, importing the trees, and you have created your fence, road, and contour. And now we will proceed to creating this building itself. So let's go back to our original Dialogues Evo file and make sure that the elevation and section drawing is open. Click this one on your left side, sure stick, and it's in the show 2D projection because to make it looks like flat. And now we will create our building. So to make this building low poly also, we will use the extrusion volume again. So click these objects and then again draw extrusion body, and then draw this building, and we will make it only mirror on the other side, and we will create another object inside just to show that there is glass facade, and this one as a separate object to make it look like that we have a cladding or a design on the building. So let's start now and draw it. So press the extrusion body and then start drawing it. Again, this building is having lots of curves, so be patient on working on this one. Okay, one by one. And because it is typical to the other side, we will just going to create one side and then we will mirror it later on. So let's assume this is the middle. I should have created the line first, and then we will cut it here. Oops, backspace. No, up to here only. Yep, because we will create an inside view on that entrance. And then, oops, yeah, keep doing it. You can adjust it later. Keep pressing it and then back, press undo if you made a mistake. Then keep pressing it until you finish it there. And then we will create these red lines as a separate object. So what we're going to do is go back to the base, and this one again is a separate line. So I think we need to cut this up to here only. Okay, so we'll just assume that it will be similar to this one. So let's go and click it, or it should be a separate body. Okay, let's just continue on that one and see how it will be look like later. Okay, to here and here and here. Okay, and make sure that you've created this part also. So let's go and select this one. So be very patient again because it's so okay, it's supposed to be up to here, so we will edit that one later. Again, very patient because it really takes time. Okay, because this video will take time, I think I need to fast forward this one and to finish it. So it will be look like this, and let's say we finish it one and we will just going to mirror it on the other side. It will be look like this. See, I have created this object. Okay, so I created a separate one like this one as a separate object, and this one as another object, and this one as a mirror part of the other side. Yes, so okay, this is how I did this. So let's go back to the original file, and you can see that, for example, we created it properly. It's only this is only 1 meter height, and you need to extend it, or put a height of, for example, 10 meters. And once you're done with it, go to the side view and make it stand. So go and rotate it. Go to the isometric. Okay, you need to rotate it on the other side instead of here. So Control Z, and then expand and rotate. Yeah, okay, I think this is the correct orientation. See, now you will have yeah, now you have your building facade, and all you have to do later on is copy it and mirror to the other side, so you will create your whole building. So just like that. And of course you need to place it properly to your side view. So go back, and for example here, move, and then rotate, and then you need to rotate it maybe 25 or 23 degrees, or 22. Oops, 22. Okay, for example, it's like this. And okay, so I think my orientation is incorrect. So let's go and rotate it properly. Yes. And move it, and make sure that it is properly rotated. So for example, this is the correct orientation, so it will be look like this. And go back to your elevation view and make sure it is on the top view of your soil, or on the ground. So after that, for example, you oriented it properly, go to the plan view and scale it up to the other side where you can extend your building. So I think this is 150. Yes, this is 150, correct. And then move it. And then for example, this is properly drawn object. All you have to do is copy it, Control C, Control V, and then rotate it again to make it an equal or a mirror effect to complete your whole building facade. So okay, so that's how we do our building. So it's not very heavy building because these are all made in objects. And see, I created one inside room here, so you can just create an arch. See, it's a continuous arch, and the glass is created like this only. This is also an object. See, it's an object, and those frames are an object. And I just created a transparent materials on this entrance. See, now this is transparent, and now it looks like there's an inside room in the building. So that's it. Next video, I will teach you on how to put a luminaire in this facade without too much taking effort, and it's very easy. So let's go and continue it.